Hakasin ka baningkong wan yo kejat ka kurim jong konrad ke sama hapo yang dorbar tauan jong ka jela hakasingi sedang. Hadin ka jengjob jongka ya ka by election jong snam obaladap na po kamri ki constituency. Menta kesengi ka kurim jong menteri rombak ka jela ka metap candi haba ajengkren sekelal pathai kubor hadin ka jengpenkut ya kesengi dorbar ka laong bakadang di kesen ka baningkong kadang hab ban pethu katkum ka jingle jong kiwe banyo jing hikailam. Badru kala kentu bakum ki kenthei ki diru ban wan yasno ktilang hakikam politics omtang bakishin rang ki bala bandan hapo kaying dorbar thau an ka jela.
How do you feel about first time attending the session?
Yeah, I feel good. I think it's a privilege and an honor to be representing my constituency and be here today.
The strength of women in 60-member Meghalaya Legislative Assembly has increased with your inclusion. Yes. So, how do you feel and what are the positive steps do you think you can take in this regard?
Well, we have seen that women representation in politics has been always very less. Yeah, and I feel very honored here today, being a woman and being in this house, in this August house. And I hope that with my presence here, more and more women will be encouraged to join politics.
Though you are in the ruling, will you be raising the issues concerning the constituency, the state?
This time I think I have a lot to learn. Still see the proceedings and how the house runs. So I think I will be observing and maybe next time for sure.